Tū Whānau influence was big on me because it opened my eyes to a lot more things than what I thought I knew. So I think the biggest thing out of our latest noho was to make our club a safe place for our whānau to be.
We see more of that from the players now, that they go to a lot more whānau orientated events. They use a lot more of our values like manaakitanga and aroha. The dads are softening up, I suppose.
Yes, I think it's a change in these young men because now they are fathers.
They're more open to new people, whereas before they were very much closed off. And, where are they from? Or are they from Pikiao? And if they weren't, then, no, I don't want to be around them. But now it's like, sure, yeah, come in, you should come. So that's a good thing, yeah.
And they're young and they're stepping up, and it's a really good thing to see.
Yeah. It sort of snowballed from there, from a cup of coffee between two men. What was that, over 18 months ago, now snowballed into this big huge whānau thing that everyone wants to jump on and
such a positive
have things happen for our club, our whānau, our babies, it's good to see. It's awesome to see actually.